Hi there, are you a Nigerian or you are someone who just uses Nigerian bank cards, Visa card, MasterCard to fund your Facebook ad account using the Pay You option, and so far you've not been able to do that, right? So I'm here today to give you an alternative that you can use to fund your ad account and it will work instantly. I've used it twice today and it has worked so far, and I just want to share this video with you. So in this video I'm going to be showing you that alternative. Is totally free and it's easy. In less than 5 minutes you can set it up and you are good to go. So before I get straight into today's video, all you have to do for me right now is click on the subscribe button. You find it below. Subscribe to this channel because every single week we put out content about sales, marketing, profitability, business growth, and a lot more. So click on the subscribe button, and make sure you tell your friends about this channel. My name is Favour Kemjii Okoro, and let's get straight into today's content. So this option is called Opay virtual cards, virtual verve card, right? It's a bank card literally, but then it's not a physical card that you can see or slot into an ATM, right? This is a virtual card. It's hosted 100% online, but then it can do virtually every other thing that the normal bank cards do, right? So all you need to do is download the app, set it up, and then you are good to go. I'm going to be showing you how to do that because right now I'll be sharing my screen with you and you watch me do it immediately, step by step. All right, and then the link you can use is going to be in the description. I'm going to put the link in the description. Just find it there, use it, and then get started. All right, so right now I'm going to share my screen. Follow me as I share my screen and follow every single step I show you. If you have questions, of course, put them in the comment section. Let's go. Okay guys, so remember I said the name of the application is called Opay. Opay is a virtual bank. It's a fintech application that you can use for normal banking stuff that you do with your traditional banks. So here's my link. I'm going to put the link in the description below. You're going to see it. When you use my link, you're definitely going to get a bonus. So use this link and then you're going to click on open. And then it'll take you here where you're asked to input your mobile number. All right, make sure you use your country code, input your mobile number, and then you can see the offer that you can see. You're going to see something like Favour Okoro invited you to get bonuses together in Opay, right? I'm going to put my mobile number in a second. So I was told that I'm an Opay user. I think this number has been registered on Opay, and all I have to do now is log in. If you're not a user already, you'll be asked to sign up and then put your details, login details, and all of that. I'm going to log into the app. And then it takes me to my Play Store. If you use an iPhone device, you're going to get redirected to your App Store, right? And then all you have to do is click on install the application and wait for it to install before you open the application. Right. So we're done downloading the app, and then all I'm going to do is click on open, and then we are in Opay's app, right? You can see it's licensed by CBN and licensed and also insured by NDIC. Okay, so if you want to create a new account, you're going to click on create a new account. But if you have an account already, you're going to click on sign in. Let me click on create a new account, and I'm going to click put my phone number. I'm going to click on get OTP. Okay, then I'm going to log in. And then I'm going to be asked to put my password. I'm just going to put my password and then I'll resume this video. Okay. All right. Then I'm going to click on sign in. Then I need to take a selfie. You need to take a picture so that they can actually verify who you are, have some database about you in their system. So you need to take a selfie and see the tips they give you. Good lights. Your lighting should be good. You can go outside under the sunlight, or you can turn on the bright lights in your house, and then you should stay in the middle, not give them one part of your face, and then make sure it's clear and not blurry, right? You're going to click on take a selfie and it's going to show you your face. I'm going to quickly take a selfie and resume the video. Then next, you're asked to provide an identification type to ensure the security of your account. So there are options here. You have your your BVN, your NIN, your phone number, your bank account, your voter's card, and your driver's license, right? So I can choose any word I like. I think the closest one to me right now is my NIN, and I'm going to pick my NIN and I'm going to put in my NIN. Once you're done with that, they'll ask you if you want to secure your account with email. I could do that or not. You can do that so that someone cannot have access to your account except they have access to your email, right? I'll do that later, so I'm just going to click on no, and then here we go. This is my account, this is what it looks like. You see that I don't have, if I check my balance, okay, they're showing me different things. Just keep clicking on next until they say everything is okay. If I check my balance, I have 0 naira right now here, and that's how your balance will look if you just started with the application. Do you understand? So you can just look around. This is your dashboard. This is where you go to yourself, and you see you can actually get a card for free. Look at this, apply for free, 0 card maintenance, 0 ATM withdrawal, and all that. I'm not going to show you around the app today because that's not why we're here. We want you to get a card that you can use to pay for your Facebook ads. Is that right? Okay, so I'm just going to go straight into how you can do that. All you have to do is click on cards. You're going to see it below at the bottom part of the screen. You see cards. All right, when you click on cards, you're going to see 2 options. There's the physical card and there's the virtual card. What we need right now is the virtual card. So you just swipe right to the virtual card side and you're going to see this. It's instant access. It allows online payment. It's secured, and you're just going to click on get it now. This is my name, these are my details and all of that, and then I'm going to click on submit. They're going to put me in tier 1. But then I can actually upgrade to other tiers. Tier 1 has a daily transaction limit of 50,000 naira and of 10 transactions, so I can actually upgrade to tier 2 by just submitting my BVN. That's all. So you can submit your BVN and then you can upgrade to tier 2. I think tier 2 has a bit daily limit of 100,000 naira, so in case you want to do more transactions than this, you can just put in your BVN and upgrade. So I'm going to click on submit right now, and voila, it's done. Easy, in 2 seconds. Like, it doesn't take any time, guys. It doesn't take any time. Your virtual card is ready for you to use right now, and all I have to do now is copy the card details and I'm good to go. I can just use it to pay for anything at all I have. Okay, so the thing right now is that I don't have any money in this account right now, so I cannot pay for anything with this card. There's 0. We saw my dashboard right now, so I'll show you how you can transfer money into this account so you can have some money here and then, you know, use it to pay for your Facebook ads using the pay you option. I hope you understand that. I'm sure you know how to use the pay you option by now. I'm only showing you how to get a card that works, so that's the reason for this video. So you can see this, it's all done. All right, so I'm going to show you right now how you can put money into your account and then get stuff done. When you click on OK, you're going to see your card details, your bank account number, your card pin, every single detail. You're going to see it here. You can hide the details and then you can open it. This is like a normal card that you can, you know, set and use to do anything. You can also click on set your pin, right? I'm going to set my pin. So I've set up my pin right now, and this is the pin that I'll be using to make payments online, right? So this is my card, but remember that they already gave me a pin. So the pin you're going to be using when you are using your card online is this pin here. Do you understand? The pin that they put here for you, you're going to be using it. All you have to do now is copy. You can see a copy sign beside the card number. You can click on it and copy the card number, copy the expiry dates, the CVV, and all that. Then you go to your dashboard and put in all the details. You can see this notification at the top of my screen. My Opay virtual card is activated now. I can click any link below to get the card details. So let's go back to my home. How do I add money to my account so that I can have money to use to make payments on my PayU, on my Facebook ads? All I have to do is click on add money here. You can see the different options here. You can do bank transfer. Bank transfer, they're going to give you an account number. Your account number is usually your phone number, so it's easy to remember. They just remove the first digits and then the rest is your account number, which is very cool. I noticed it and I'm like, oh my god, thank god I don't have to start memorizing new account details. So you just give this to somebody, or you use your bank, your normal bank app, whatever bank you use, Union Bank, First Bank, any bank at all, and then you use this and copy this and send money, transfer money to the account, right? There's no limit here. But if you want to use the other option, which is card, where you put in your card details, your you know, the card you use already, maybe your MasterCard, your Visa card, your Verve card from your normal traditional bank, you can use this here, but there's a limit. You can only transfer up until 9,999 naira at a time. You can't transfer more than that at a time. So if you want to do maybe 50k, you have to do it like up to 10 times or more. So that's the limit here, right? If you're going to use your card, so you can just put the amount. Let me say I want to transfer 5,000, and I'm going to click next, and they're going to ask me to put put my card details. So I'll put my normal card details, not the Opay card, the normal card I had before that I tried to use and it didn't work on PayU. I'm going to put it here, put all the details, put my PIN, and click on confirm, and immediately the money it reflects immediately. It didn't take up to 2 seconds. The money reflected on my Opay account when I did it before. Okay, and so the money will reflect immediately on your account, or you can use your bank account. You can just select your bank, put your bank account name, and then put your BVN, and immediately it's saved. The good thing is that once you save it, it's saved permanently, and you don't have to keep repeating. Not permanently per se, but you can delete it whenever you like, but it's saved. That's what I'm trying to say. You don't have to keep retyping your card details or your BVN every single time. It works for you perfectly. So when you get these virtual card details, all you have to do is copy the card details, go to PayU the same way you use your normal card. This time around, you put Opay's virtual card details into your wherever you're asked to. You put the card number, the expiry date, the CVV, every other thing, you put it there, and immediately the transaction is processed. No charges, no single charges. If you want to fund with 5,000, you're debited of 5,000 naira exactly, not even an extra 1 naira as at today. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you share this video with somebody who needs this. I hope this video was really helpful to you. I really had to do this video immediately. I saw that there was a problem, so that we can help as many people as possible fix this. All right, so if this video was helpful to you, all you have to do is return the favor, click on the share button, copy the link, send to your WhatsApp groups, post on your WhatsApp status, post on your Facebook page or Facebook profile. Lots of people will be grateful to you for this. In fact, let me tell you a short story. So there was this time I saw a YouTube video that helped me do something, and out of excitement and happiness, I clicked on the share button, copied the link, posted it on my WhatsApp status, and somebody reached out to me on WhatsApp and said, "Oh, Favour, thank you so much. I've been looking for this information for almost 3 years now, and you just gave it to me on a platter of gold. Could you send your account details? I want to appreciate you." I thought it was a joke, but I sent my account details and boom, I got a lot. So I just got paid for somebody else's content just because I was being a nice person. So be a nice person, okay? Be a nice person. Expect nothing in return, and you might just get something in return. Click on the share button, copy the link, post on your WhatsApp status. Somebody would definitely be grateful to you that you shared this content with him or her. And if you love this content, make sure you click on the subscribe button, and there's a bell icon beside the subscribe button. You can click on it to make sure that you're notified of any new content that I put out. If you have questions about this video or any other thing relating to sales, marketing, or business, let me know in the comment section, and I might just pick your question and make a video around it. All right, take care. See you next time. I love you so much. My name is Favour Kemjii Okoro. Make sure you use the link in the description. I love you. Bye till next time.